PTSD The Basics by Dr. McElheran. What is PTSD? PTSD is a clinical diagnosis describing symptoms that can emerge following exposure to a potentially traumatic event. PTSD comes from exposure to an external stressor or threat. When exposed to trauma, it is normal to experience symptoms including being on guard, anxious, or having trouble concentrating and sleeping. These are normal reactions to abnormal events. These reactions are supposed to happen, and they are perfectly natural. For some public safety personnel, approximately 25%, these symptoms can continue to worsen and will develop into PTSD. PTSD can be caused by direct or indirect exposure to war, disasters, threat of or actual physical or sexual assault, threat of harm or death to self or loved one. PTSD does not have to be caused by one single event. It can be caused by an accumulation of traumatic events. PTSD is a type of operational stress injury. Over time, PTSD changes the way your body and brain function, creating both mental and physical changes to behavior. But like any injury, PTSD can heal over time with appropriate intervention. Symptoms of PTSD come in clusters. Intrusive symptoms like nightmares, involuntary thoughts about the event, memory of trauma that interferes with the ability to function. Avoidance symptoms like pushing away memories and emotions, substance abuse, and cutting yourself off from others. Negative thoughts and emotions like anger, self-blame, self-destructive behavior. Reactive symptoms like disrupted sleep, difficulty relaxing, difficulty concentrating, or feeling an exaggerated sense of danger. There are many approaches to treatment, but each approach must support the individual in processing thoughts, feelings, body reactions, and memories related to the trauma. It is important for PSP to find mental health professionals with an understanding of PSP work environments. CIPSRT has tools to help with PTSD, like PSPNet, 6 Steps to Finding a Clinician, How to Support a Coworker, the PSP Mental Health website. Check out the CIPSRT website for more information on PSP mental health.